everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and I will show you how to draft a perfect shirt collar step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just polishing your skills, this tutorial is designed to make the process easy and clear. So let's begin. Now to start, we will draw a rectangle that measures 18 cm in length and 7 cm in height. Now divide the 18 cm length into 3 equal parts to help shape the collar band curve. So after dividing 18 cm by 3, I have 6 cm. So I have divided this 18 cm length here. The length represents the neckline circumference. Now from the bottom edge mark 3 cm upward. This is the height of the band. Then draw a horizontal line across to separate the band from the fall. We will now extend the band by 2 cm at the front. This extra space is essential for creating an overlap for the shirt's button closer. From this point, draw a 3 cm vertical line upward to complete the extended band. Here I have taken 0.5 cm both upward and downward to add the shape of the band. Now I have taken the first block and I have divided it into half. Then using my French curve, I have added the shape of the band. Same thing I am repeating again. I will divide the block into half, but this time I will go 0.5 centimeter downward to add the lower shape of the band. You can add this shape using a French curve. This ensures the band fit comfortably around the neckline. I have not used my French curve here, but you can use if you want. Moving on to the collar fall, I will go 6 centimeter upward, but before that I will extend the upper edge by 1.5 centimeter forward, then measure a slant length of 6 centimeter starting from the band and mark the end point. Connect these points to shape the collar fall smoothly, but here I am not satisfied with the shape, so I am adding the shape again. Once you are satisfied with the shape of the collar fall, then you can start cutting your pattern. Once you have completed the shaping, carefully cut out the pattern. Your collar is now ready to be attached to your shirt. And that's it, a perfectly drafted shirt collar in just a few simple steps, right? I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more fashion design tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.